Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve checksum error, then let's look at the following solutions. The first and most obvious solution would be to restart the computer. So we left click on start button, look for the power button and look for restart and click on it. And that should resolve the issue. The second option is to update the BIOS. So how do we update the BIOS? We search for the manufacturer website for the BIOS. So the manufacturer of my system is Asus, and I will enter the model number. So my model number is 1504FA. Now, if you can't find your model number, if you're using a laptop, look at the bottom of the laptop where you'll find the model number, or on your desktop, look for it on the body of the desktop. So I entered this and I also look for BIOS download and press enter. Now here you go on Asus, and it will accept here and it will show me BIOS and firmware. Now I will download my BIOS, download the file, and I will reinstall BIOS. I just a word of caution here, please back up your earlier BIOS in a pen drive so that if there's any problem with the installation, you can then use the backup to flash your BIOS. Because if you if you install this BIOS without backing up, then if there's any problem that goes wrong with the installation of the BIOS, it's going to your computer might not start again. And the last option, if that too doesn't work after you have reinstalled the BIOS, then the only option is to replace the CMOS battery, and that can only be done by a hardware technician in most cases. So yeah, that should solve the problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.